Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a warm bowl of kimchi-jjigae for the cold weather. It has been extremely cold these few days here and it has been raining non-stop, so what better way to treat the cool weather with a nice warm bowl of kimchi-jjigae. Make sure you watch all the way to the end to see the final results, and I hope you have fun making kimchi-jjigae with me. So let's try the kimchi-jjigae right now. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's try the broth first. Ooh. It has that sour kick and punch to it, and it has the right amount of heat, the right amount of spice. It's warm and comforting in a cold and rainy day. So yep, let's try some of the meat. Cooked to perfection. actually added a poached egg inside as well. So let me just try with some rice. Kimchi-jjigae and rice combination will never go wrong. It is as though they are made for each other. So here's my kimchi-jjigae and rice, and perfection. Let's not forget to try a small slice of tofu. The silky texture of the tofu really suits the warm liquid that is coating it. It is such a nice complement of getting something so smooth, creamy and silky to pair it with a spicy broth, and the sourness of the kimchi really helps to blend them together. This kimchi-jjigae is so good, and I hope that you guys can try it as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to it, and also follow me for more recipes coming your way. Bye!